Tired of missing out on crucial moments because you can only watch one game at a time? Let's unlock the power of YouTube TV Multiview, your ticket to watching multiple channels at once. First, make sure you're subscribed to YouTube TV. Then, navigate to the Home tab on your YouTube TV app, either on your TV or mobile device. Look for the top picks for yourself or the Watch in Multiview row. These sections often showcase pre-selected multiview options, especially during major sporting events or news broadcasts. Simply select one of these Premade multiview options to instantly start watching multiple channels simultaneously. YouTube TV smartly groups related channels for you. Want to customize your multiview experience? Hover over any of the playing streams and look for the settings icon. This usually appears as 3 vertical dots. From here, you can switch the channel in that particular stream to another channel of your choice or select which stream's audio you want to hear. Multiview is particularly fantastic for live sports. Keep an eye on multiple games, track different news perspectives, or just enjoy a wider range of content without constantly switching channels. So ditch the FOMO and embrace the ultimate multitasking experience with YouTube TV Multiview now. You'll never miss a moment.